In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Codeium context settings. If you're using Codeium's SaaS offering in VS Code, context pinning is your shortcut to smarter completions and more grounded chat answers. Pinning tells the AI exactly which files, folders, or specific code symbols it should pay attention to while it assists you in editor and in chat. Think of it as setting the stage so the model doesn't have to guess what matters most in your workspace. To view and manage what you've pinned, open the redesigned Codeium side panel and head to the Pinned Contexts section. This is your dashboard for what the model can reference. You can see what's already included, add items, and keep your task's context tight and relevant. When you're ready to add items, you have three choices. Pin an entire directory when the task spans multiple files in the same module or package. Pin an individual file when you want the model to focus on a single implementation, config, or schema. And for maximum precision, pin a specific snippet, like a class, a method, or a function, so the model aligns its suggestions with the exact API or logic you're working on. These pins apply to chat conversations and the inline completions you see in your editor, keeping explanations and code suggestions consistent. A few best practices will keep things fast and accurate. Pin only what you truly need for the task at hand. Overpinning can introduce noise and slow the model, especially in large code bases. Favor module definitions, shared internal libraries, or the current working directory you're actively modifying. That way the model has the key contracts and types without being distracted by unrelated files. If a task is self-contained, a single directory pin is often enough. If you're iterating on one component, a file pin keeps the scope tight. And when you're shaping a function's signature or behavior, a snippet pin gives the sharpest guidance. It's worth noting that pinning doesn't change your code or permissions. It simply narrows the AI's attention. In chat, that means answers pull details from the items you've highlighted instead of wandering across the entire workspace. If suggestions start to feel off topic, it usually means the pins no longer reflect what you're editing. So a quick refresh of what's relevant brings quality back. Also, avoid pinning your whole repository or large vendor directories. Tighter scopes lead to snappier responses and clearer guidance. Finally, remember that good context is dynamic. As your focus shifts, adjust what's pinned so the model stays anchored to the right parts of your code. With a lean, intentional set of pins, Codeium becomes a clearer partner, faster, relevant, and easier to trust.